Good morning, grade 5. So again, this is Teacher Lay. So for today's lesson, we are going to discuss about factors and greatest common factor, multiples, and the least common multiple. Okay. So this is the second lesson for our week 2. Okay, we have factors and the GCF or the greatest common factor. And we have multiples and the least common multiple or the LCM. Okay, what is a factors? A factor, any of the numbers that when multiplied together form a product. So any of the number nga i-multiply nato kay koan form a product. So we have 5 times 2 is 10. We have 10 times 2 is 20. 12 times 2 is 24. So kana siya mga duha ka numbers. That is the factor. Okay, we have here example. Nelia has 36 salted eggs. She wants to group the eggs using native basket in different ways. So we have here different factors of 36. Diba? We have here different numbers. Nga multiply nato is equals to 36. So these are the called factors. 1 times 36 equals 36. 2 times 18 equals 36. 3 times 12 equals 36. 4 times 9 equals 36. And 6 times 6 equals 36. Okay. So, kani sila nga mga numbers are the factors of 36. As we can see, we get the same product of 36 in all multiplication sentences. So the factors of 36 are, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Kanis lang nga mga numbers nga makita na to ani din. Okay. Then our focus is the GCF and LCM, no? So we have here the GCF. The GCF is the greatest common factors. Okay. The factors of 2 or more numbers, the greatest of which is called the GCF. So when we are going to find the GCF, means common factor of 2 or more number. The greatest common factor is the GCF, greatest common factor of 2 or more numbers. So we have here examples. The GCF of 140. We are going to find the factor of 100 sa. We have 10 times 10, 100 times 1, 25 times 4, and 20 times 4. While the 40, the factors of 40, the factors of 40 are 10 times 4, 40 times 1, 20 times 2, and 8 times 5. Okay, so as you can see here, unsa nga number or factor nila ang common ni 140? Diba? 140, they have a common factor of 20. The greatest common factor nila na sila 5. They have 5. They also have 4. But kuan man siya kaning greatest common factor man tong ipangita. So, we have 20. Di ba 20 atong kinadak-an diri nga factor nila? Okay, so that's why the greatest common factor or GCF is 20 since it is the common greatest factor of 140. Okay, so we also have another method in solving the GCF. Okay, in finding the GCF, we can also use another method. This is the continuous division. Okay, in the continuous division, we have here, for example, 140. So maghimot tag in ani nga mga lines. Kani siya nga number na sa gawas, mo ni siya ang factor nilang duha or pwede ma-divide nilang duha ni 140. Diba 140 can be divided to 2. So we divide 100 divide 2, that's why it's 50. And 40 divide 2 is 20. Then 50 and 20 can be divided by 10, right? So 50 divide 10 is 5. And 20 divide 10 is 2. So, arita, 5 and 2. Napabay ma-divide ni 5 ug ni 2? Wala na, di ba? So, that's why, ang kani nga number to diri sa gawas nila, we have 2 and 10. This is their common factor or their greatest common factor. We are going to multiply this. 10 times 2 is 20. That's why we have the GCF of 20. Okay. Next. Next example. You can choose kung asa nga method ang masayo ninyo nga gamiton. Next example, we have find the GCF of 44, 60, and 32. So, tulo siya ka numbers, no? Okay, si 44, 60, and 32, pwede ma-divide ni 2. Kay mga even numbers man ni sila. Basta even numbers gani, diretso din na sila ma-divide og 2. So 44 divide 2, that's 22. 60 divide 2 is 30. And 32 divide 2 is 16. Next, 22, 30, and 16 also kay ma-divide og 2. So 22 divide 2 is 11. 30 divide 2 is 15, and 16 divide 2 is 8. So, their greatest common factor, number nila diri sa gawas, atong i-multiply, they have 2 times 2, so it's 4. That's why the GCF is 4. Okay, another example you have here for the activity. Okay, identify the GCF. Typo error ni siyang na double ang da. Okay, identify the GCF. So, number 1, we have 27 and 36. So, 27 and 36, we use anino nga method para nako man masayon ra ni nga method, mas easy. Okay, ran siya nga gamiton ninyo. So, 27 and 36, kani nga method, continuous division akong gi-use nga method. So, 27 and 36 can be divided by 3, di ba? So, that's why 27 divide 3 is, we have 9. That's why 27 divide 3 is 9. Then 36 divide 3 is 13. So 9 and 13, wala na yung ma-divide nila, di ba? So that's why our GCF is 3. Next, number 2. 12 and 32, we're going to find the GCF of 12 and 32. So 12 and 32 can be divided by 2. So 12 divided 2 is 16. I mean 6. Again, 12 divided 2 is 6. And 32 divided 2 is 16. Next. Si 6 and 16 can be divided also by 2. So 6 divide 2, that is 3. And 16 divide 2 is 8. So napa ba tayo ma-divide ni 8 o ni 3? So wala na. Then ang number na niya diri is 2 and 2. So we are going to multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. So the GCF of 12 and 32 is 4. Okay, last example. We are going to find the GCF of 45 and 30. We have here 45 and 30 can be divided by 5. Kay end Manila 5 and 0. So 45 divide 5 is 9 and 30 divide 5 is 6. And 9 and 6 can also be divided by 3. So 9 divide 3 is 3 and 6 divide 3 is 2. So si 3 and si 2 kay wala na ma-divide niya. So kopyahon na to din ang number sa kilid. We are going to multiply 5 times 3, that is 15. So the GCF of 45 and 30 is 15. Okay, now arita sa proceed sa multiples. Okay. Multiples are products of a whole number and a set of counting numbers. When we multiply 4 by each of the first 5 counting numbers, we get the numbers 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So, muna yung multiples niya. For example, multiples of 5. So, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8. Ayun, anak, di ba? Okay. So we have here 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 5 equals 20, and so on. So these numbers are the first 5 ang kani nga given din si 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20 are the first 5 multiples of 4. Okay. Next, let's go to the LCM. LCM or the least common multiple. Okay. So we are going to determine here the LCM of 16 and 24. Again, LCM kay the least common multiple. Ang pinaka-least nga kuan multiple nila nga pwede ma-divide nila. Or it, so determine the LCM of 16 and 24. So we use continuous division gihapon ha akong gi-use. So we have 16 and 24. So si 16 and 24 can be divided by 2. So 16 divide 2 is 8. And 24 divide 2 is 12. Then si 8 and 12 can ma-divide pag yun og 2. So 8 divide 2 is 4. And 12 divide 2 is 6. Then 4 and 6 is ma-divide pag yun og 2. So we have 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then si 2 and si 3, wala na ma-divide. Okay, wala na siya labot ha. Wala ni labot. Yan, apil ni siya. Wala na labot ha again. Wala ni siya labot nga 2 dinhi. Kanirang tulo. Okay, na apil lang ni siya. Kanira nga tulo dinhi. Kay si 2 and 3, wala na may ma-divide. So, ang atoang sa LCM, kay ilista na to tanan nga factors, tanan nga numbers nga naa dinhi, ug tanan nga numbers diri sa kinalasan. Okay, we have 2 times 2 times 2. Tulo ka to diri nga side, di ba? 1, 2, 3. Tulo ka to. 1, 2, 3. Again, pila ka to tanan diri sa side tulo ra ni dinhi ha, tulo ra ni dinhi, wala ni labot ang usa kay sayop na siya. Then kani ikaupat ka to, then isa ka 3. Okay, di ba 1 2 3 4, upat ka to or 4 ka to, di ba, then isa ka 3 para dili malibog, wa yun nilabot. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 equals 48. So 48 is our LCM. Okay. So another example. Okay, identify the LCM. We have here 27 and 36. So 27 and 36, pangitaon na to iyang LCM. We are going to find its LCM. Numbers nga ma-divide ni 27 and 36 kay 3, di ba? So 27 divided by 3 is 9, right? Then 27 divided 3 is 9. Then 36 divided 3 is 13. So again, ato ang i-bring down ang numbers diri sa kilid 3, then i-bring down ang numbers diri nga kinalasan. We have 9 and 13. So i-multiply na to sila tanan. We have 3 times 9 times 13 is 351. Okay, mauna ang LCM. Kung ang GCF kay kanira nga numbers diri sa kilid, ang LCM kay numbers diri sa kilid ug kanin diri nga nahabilin. Okay? Next, we have 12 and 32. So find the LCM. 12 and 32 can be divided by 2. So 12 divided 2 is 6. And 32 divided 2 is 16. So, si 6 and 16 can also be divided by 2, di ba? 6 divided 2 is 3, and 16 divided 2 is 8. Then, again, i-bring down na to ang number sa kilid. We have 2 times 2, 2 times 2, and 3 times 8. So, 2 times 2 times 3 times 8 equals 96. So, the LCM is 96. Now we have 45 and 30. So find the LCM of 45 and 30. So 45 and 30 can be divided by 5. So 45 divide 5 is 9. And 30 divide 3 is... sorry. 45 divide 5 is 9. And 30 divide 5 is 6. Okay. Then 9 divided by 3, kay 9 and 6 can be divided by 3 man, di ba? So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, then bring down the number. 5 times 3 and 3 times 2. So we have 5 times 3 times 3 times 2 equals 90. So our LCM is 90. So next, okay, we have here the activity, finding the GCF and LCM. So again, GCF is the greatest common factor and LCM is the least common multiple. Okay. GCF nag-use ta og um continuous division atong gi-use. Okay. So we first number 1, GCF and LCM of 16 and 18. 16 and 18 can be divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8 and 18 divided 2 is 9. So our GCF number diri sa kilid is 2. And our LCM kay number sa kilid ug kani nga nahabilin, we have 2 times 8 times 9 equals 144. Okay, nakuha, GCF and LCM. Next, number 2, we have 48 and 36. Okay, 48 and 36 can be divided by 2. 48 divide 2 is 24. And 36 divide 2 is 18. Okay. Then 24 and 16 can be divided by 3. So 24 divide 3, that's 8. And 18 divide 3 is 6. So si 8 and 6 kay ma-divide pa yun ni 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So si 4 and si 3, wala na yung ma-divide nila. Okay, so let's bring down diri no. Kani nga na again ang number diri sa kilid nga gi-divide nila mao ni ato ang GCF. So we have 2 times 3 times 2 is 12. So the GCF is 12. Then the LCM kay kani nga number diri sa kilid i-bring down ug kaning nahabilin diri. We have 2 times 3 times 2 times 4 times 3. That is equals to 144. Okay. Next, number 3. Number 3, we have 65 and 50. Okay, so 65 and 50 can be divided by 5. So 65 divided 5 is 13 and 50 divided by 5 is 10. So si 13 and si 10 kay wala na ma-divide nila, di ba? Okay, nasayop ra ni siya. Wait sa. Okay, so katong ganina kay wala lang to nako na edit no. So kani siya again 65 and 50. Si 65 and 50 can be divided by 5. So 65 divide 5 is 13 and 50 divide 5 is 10. So the GCF is 5 kay 5 ra man naa niya dire, di ba? Then the LCM is 5 times nahabilin niya dire 13 times 10, that is 650. Okay. So that's all for the GCF and LCM. So grade 5, I hope you have learned for this video. So thank you so much.